nangyari sa utak at puso nyo ngayon. But now is the best time para marinig namin kung ano ba yung tumatakbo dyan sa kaloob-looban ninyo. Now, here are a few reminders for the press for our Q&A session. We will be limiting to 2 questions lamang po per press. And that includes your follow-up question for us to accommodate everybody. Please refrain from asking insensitive, offensive, and personal questions. Of course, we all know that. We will only entertain questions related to the film. All right, are you guys ready? Are you guys?
Yes.
Andres and Ashton, are you guys ready?
Yes.
Everyone ready?
Ooh.
Eto na.
Go.
Simulan na natin to. I'm super excited for this. Simulan na natin. Let's call in the first on the list from Abante, Sir Jun Lalin.
Hello, yeah. Good afternoon. Yeah. Hi, Direk. Yeah.
Good afternoon.
Asti and Andres. Yan. Ang bongga, no? Para kami nasa wedding reception. Oo.
Nakagulat po, no?
At ang bongga ng mga fans na talagang nagre-request sila ng kiss. Nagaganon sila ng baso at saka ng mga ano, di ba? Talagang pinapatunog nila. Ayan, pinapatunog nila ulit. Nako, parang lumalakas. Oo. Oo. Wala ba kayong balak pagbigyan? Oo. Oh, grabe. Oo. Hindi naman ka-der-der daw eh. Oo. Hindi, ang sweet, ang nakakakilig, di ba? Oo. Wala kayong balak pagbigyan. Yan, inuulit ko.
Kailangan nyo panurin yung movie.
Ah?
Abangan nyo yung movie.
So, merong kissing scene?
To be announced.
Parang nabigla yata si Andres at saka si Astin sa sinabi nila. Parang natigilan sila. Direct, secret ba yung kissing scene? Kasi wala rin kami nakita doon sa mga naunang teaser.
Parang wala.
Wink.
Bakit parang hindi ka sigurado? Direct, ikaw nag-direct.
Kailangan panoorin, syempre, para makita. Pero, dili na lang ako mag-talk.
So, kailangan talaga, ngayon ba available ng tickets? September 24
Yes,
siya.
tickets
di ba
are now
parang
available.
may nabasa ako may nakita ako nagbibilihan na raw mga fans ng ticket. Ang bongga, di ba?
Opo.
Oo. Tapos, nag-a-announce na ng Viva na may screening abroad. Tuloy ba, Direk?
Tuloy po, sa US, Canada, and Middle East.
Oo, ang mismong mga fans daw ng nina Astin Andres ang naglalakad, umaayos, no, ng mga black screening abroad. Tama?
Opo, tapos marami pang ibang countries na hindi pa showing, pero talagang yung fans nila kinakalampag. Ako personally sa Instagram ko, mga taga-Pakistan, taga-India, taga-Latin America. So, ang lakas talaga ng nila, global following nila.
Oo. Ang bongga rin kasi talagang nagawa sila ng Viva One, di ba? Oo. Yan. Pero ano ba dapat naming i-expect dito sa Minamahal? Oo. Kanina while driving, no, nasa Skyway ako, alam mo parang tumutugtog sa isipan ko yung theme song ng movie. Ang tindi ng dating ng Minamahal. So, yeah, kayong tatlo, anong dapat i-expect namin with Minamahal? And bakit pala binalik sa yung subtitle 100 Bulaklak para kay Luna? Kasi as of yesterday lang daw yan eh.
Bali yung, ako personally, yung kailangan abangan ng mga tao. Kasi ano pa sila eh, parang hindi pa talaga sila lumabas sa big screen as lead actors, especially Andres. Yun ang isang major reason na kailangan abangan natin to kasi genuinely speaking, talagang they're stars in the making talaga, superstars in the making. And I'm very honored na ako yung parang nagkaroon ng honor para gawan sila ng pelikula.
Ang swerte mo nga raw, Direk eh.
Kung ano yung nakikita ko sa pag nagdi-direct sa kanila, yung magic na dinadala nila sa screen, I'm excited for other people, kay fans man or casual viewers, to witness that magic that I see every time we shoot.
Yan, ang bongga nga kasi talagang expected na lahat blockbuster, di ba? Lahat excited, di ba? So yan, Astin and Andres.
Sa akin naman po, ang dapat nilang abangan is yung lesson na pag magmamahal ka, sige, bigay mo lahat, pero wag mo kakalimutang magtira para sa sarili mo.
And Andres?
Yes, I think everyone should watch out for the themes of love in this movie and how all of us, we experience love in our lives, whether it's giving love or loving something, or we love the things that we do, and I think this movie shows just the challenges and the journey that love brings, you know, whether that's the ups, the highs, and the downs and the lows.
Yeah, ang bongga ng pagkakasabi mo. Pero ang bongga, no, Astin, Andres, grabe ang support ng fans. Kitang-kita sa Viva Arcada, kitang-kita dito, and around the world, oh.
Yes, yun nga. Firstly, I would like to thank, you know, all the fans that are here today. You guys all here in the back. Thank you, keepers. Thank you so much. I'd also like to thank the fans internationally that have supported us and continue to support us along this journey. Sa totoo lang, we never really expected any of this to happen, and coming from Ang Mutya ng Section E to now here our first film with the great JPL as our director. Seriously, you know, it's really an honor that I'm really happy. Me and Ash are both really happy that we got the opportunity to work with JPL. I know that they have worked together in the past, but ako naman, I'm really grateful for you, Direct. You know, I'm learning a lot as we go, and it's really an honor.
Yeah, worldwide, ipapalabas, no? You guys going abroad to attend the screenings?
Why not? Diba?
Oh, may nakaschedule na ba?
Pwede ko ba sabihin, or?
Yeah, para mas abangan.
Yes, we're working on the scheduling now, but there will be showings internationally. We just cannot confirm exactly all the places just yet, but expect to have at least one.
Yeah. Heard from my friends from Spain, no? Madrid, a lot of Filipinos there, they're organizing screenings, no? Kasi they're all so excited na makita ka ulit at isama mo daw si Astin sa pagbabalik mo sa Madrid. Kasi ang daming mga naging friends nun eh.
Yes, marami kong mga Pinoy na friends sa Madrid, and miss ko sila talaga kasi they were my livelihood, and they helped me survive talaga throughout my college experience. And sana, if we could have the chance to go back to Spain also, so that Ash could see, I could take her around kasi Madrid, you know, and it would be really great if we could get the chance to have a vlog screening sa Madrid.
Yeah, ang bongga, mukhang gusto mo siyang ilibot nga talaga sa sinabi mo. If there's three places in Madrid na special sa'yo, saan mo siya dadalhin and why?
In Madrid, para sa akin, siguro Retiro Park sa Madrid, which is like it's the most famous park in Madrid.
Yeah,
and
ang laki niya, no?
Yes, very beautiful park.
Oh, napagod ako sa kakalipot, di ba?
Nakapunta ka na ba?
Oo, yeah.
Ang ganda, di ba? It's very nice.
Yeah, where else? Yeah.
Retiro Park. Ano pa? I'll bring her sa Sunan University ko para makita niya.
Yeah. And one more, and why?
Where else pa in Madrid? Basta I will tour her around. Pag nandyan na, if the opportunity is there, then yun na.
Ayan, aabangan niya ng mga fans nyo, katulad ng aabangan nilang Minamahal on September 24. Congratulations and good luck!
Thank you so much po.
Yeah.
Maraming salamat po. Wow! May passport ka naman na, Ashley.
Meron. Ready na nga ako. Tara.
Ready ka na po? Sa'yo pala yung naka-impake doon ng maleta. Parang pumunta ka na sa Madrid. Okay guys, pero for the information of everyone, again, we're gonna be showing on September 24th sa Philippines po yan, 26th sa USA and Canada. Of course, sa Middle East, coming soon pa yan to be announced. And of course, sa ibang bansa pa, lahat yan to be announced. Again, 24 Philippines, 26 po sa USA and Canada. There we go. You guys are global force. Grabe. Talaga naman itong mga friends kong to. Okay, ito rin naman tayo.